practice at 2.3 question number 4. Here the quadratic equation, we have to solve the quadratic equation by completing square method. So always keep remember, in completing square method, first we have to focus on the first term in which the index is 2. So here the coefficient of y square, this is very important. Always keep remember, if the first term contains coefficient other than 1, here the coefficient is 9, so we have to adjust it as 1. So how we have to make it as 1? How? By dividing both the sides by 9. That means rough work I am doing with red pen, no need to show in your answer sheet in the exam. So if you will divide 9 throughout the equation, what we will get here, 9 cancels and remains 1. So the equation becomes 1y square. Normally 1 we are not writing, so here it is written for your reference. 12 and 9 can be simplified with table 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and here we can't cancel 2 and 9. So in this, so the equation is y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 equal to 0 by 9 is 0 itself. So this is the quadratic equation, and always keep remember, if we have quadratic equation with the first term, the coefficient first term with coefficient other than 9, we have to make it 1. This is the first step. Always keep remember, don't do directly. So here we are having coefficient of y square is 1. So after this we will do the calculation as usual. So positive 2 by 9 goes to this side, constant we will keep to right side. So what happens here? Therefore y square minus 4 by 3y is equal to negative 2 by 9. Consider this as equation 1. Now term to be added. Term to be added is equal to half into coefficient of, here the variables are y, coefficient of y square. Now focus here, half into coefficient of y, here we have y and the coefficient is negative 4 by 3 into negative 4 by 3 square. So now simplify this, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. So in the numerator it left minus 2 1s are 2 by 3 1s are 3 square. So now while negative square becomes positive, so remove the bracket and write the value. Negative square is positive, no need to write positive. 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9. So the term to be added is 4 by 9. Now see the first equation. Here we have to add 4 by 9 both the sides of equation 1. So here left hand side of equation is y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 is equal to, right hand side is negative 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Now here in this, first term is y square and the last term also we have to write in square form. So how to do? Y square minus 4 by 3y plus square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, so square, the meaning is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so we are writing this in square form, is equal to, calculate this, here denominator is same, so it comes as it is, and negative 2 positive 4. Now this thing we will write in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, identity. So first term is y, last term is 2 by 3. So middle number sign is applicable in the middle, and square is equal to negative 2 positive 4. Addition rule is applicable. If one number is negative, another is positive, subtract numbers and put bigger number sign. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and bigger number is 4, sign is positive. Normally we are not writing positive. So denominator is 9. And what about this identity? I will explain roughly here. Here if you will expand this, how it comes? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are having here y minus 2 by 3 whole square. So expand this. A square, that is y square, minus 2 into a is y, b is 2 by 3, plus this is verification I am doing. You can check your answer whether it is proper or not, whatever written. So 2 by 3 square. So this is equal to y square. Here 2 2's are minus 2 2's are 4 by 3 y plus 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9. Whatever we are getting here, just compare in this. We have here, is it? So same thing written in this form using the identity. So in front of it you have to write the identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity you have to mention in the answer sheet by keeping little distance here. This is rough work whatever explained, this part. So next, so after this, in the next step, this is in square form. So this also we have to write in square form. So how to write? Y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to root 2. So root 2 and root 9. We will put root for both the numbers and square. Next what happens here? Y minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to, same thing we will write. Okay, after this thing, so here it is, here we are getting y minus 2 by 3 whole square equal to root 2 by root 9 whole square. So now taking square root on both the sides, taking square root on both the sides, what happens here? Square removes, then remains y minus 2 by 3 is equal to, by in right hand side while removing the square, the value whatever we are getting will be in plus or minus form, root 2 by root 9. So this is the final answer. We have to write in two ways, one is positive, another is negative. So first one is, therefore y minus 2 by 3 is equal to positive root 2 by 9, or y minus 2 by 3 is equal to negative root 2 by negative root 9. So now y minus 2 by 3 is equal to root 2 by root 9, value is 3, you all know this. Therefore y is equal to root 2 by 3, this negative 2 by 3 we are taking this side, it becomes positive 2 by 3. So y is equal to, now denominator is same, so write 3 and root 2 plus 2. Next here y minus 2 by 3 is equal to negative root 2 by root 9, value is 3. So y is equal to negative root 2 by 3, take this here, it becomes positive 2 by 3. So y is equal to 3 denominator as it is and negative root 2 plus 2. So these are the two values of given quadratic equation. Okay, so how to write the conclusion? Therefore here we can write, therefore root 2 plus 2 by 3 and 2 minus negative root 2 plus 2 by 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equations. This is the conclusion.